Hello. I am really excited today because I got my first pair of gym shoes probably since I was in high school. I do have a white pair of Converse, which I'm sure many of you have seen in the videos, but they're awful, like terrible for running. So I was asking around for like recommendations and good shoes that are equally flat and comfortable for lifting, but also nice for running. And Innovate was recommended to me by Eric. Obsessed is just a word the lazy used to describe the dedicated. Wow, that was hard to read. These are lavender. Quality inspection. Hey, 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 hey. They're wide. They're bendy. Like again, my Converse are fine for lifting. Oh, these feel so good. I'm a fan.